Do you want to go from taking pictures like this to taking pictures like this just with your camera? I got another phone trick for you, especially if you like to do a nice, whether it's product pictures or just pictures where you want something to stand out, but you can totally use it like for your company social media. There's one trick that you need to do with your phone with the exposure in your camera. You don't need additional apps for that, but you need to allow your exposure to be manual. So you have to go into the settings. If you don't see it on the screen when you go into the camera mode, you have to go into the settings of the camera and enable all the manual settings. This trick is very, very simple. There's one rule to it. You can go down, remember it. You can go down, but you cannot go up. It's gonna make sense very soon. So what you need for this? You need a phone and you need a source of light. And then you need a dark place and you need a product. Ideally product that doesn't really reflect that much. So with the glass, it's not perfect. The bottom line will be, we reduce the light in the room and then we reduce the light of the exposure completely, and then we blast the light into the source. Think about that logic. Let me find something interesting. Let's go for my beloved watch. If you want to have a really nice shot of this professionally with your phone, how are you gonna do this? Great thing is to have a bit of a dark background, so not super light. It's gonna work for those kind of moody shots. We can try something like this. This actually stands. I'm not going to do that with the professional camera, but I just want to show you. And then we're going to take the phone and see how that works. So if you click on the icon of the exposure in your camera mode, you can change it. You can add exposure, meaning you add more light, or you can take it away. When it's set to 0, it changes for you, so it's automatic. And this is why we don't want it. If you want to achieve cinematic lighting, the lighting which looks professional, it cannot be in the auto mode. So make sure there is complete darkness in the room. And as you can see, I shut the blinds down. Okay, there's not super dark. However, because it's in the 0, it did add light for me. So I'm just gonna go all the way to -2, switch on the flashlight and try to look for interesting angles. So I'm moving my light closer, further away. I'm moving the camera closer. Literally, this is just me trying to figure it out. So you have to try, move the light, move the phone, move the camera, do anything until you find something really interesting. If I haven't changed the exposure, this is how it would look like. It looks bad because you can see everything because the exposure is doing automatically what it's supposed to do. And this is what you don't want. So you have to lower it all the way. Otherwise, you're going to end up with this really bad picture. And if you found this video helpful, which I believe you did, subscribe and comment. See you next time.